guys, day 3. We totally slept in today. We needed it to recover. And looks like it's about to storm. I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty cloudy. Not over there. There's coming from the back. We are gonna try a different area today, but now we're probably gonna stay in here for a while until the rain goes by. If it starts raining, but I can already feel the cold front coming in, and it's getting real windy. We definitely need the rain, but it's so dusty and dry. I don't know. Hopefully that'll get them bugling after this. But anyway, I'll catch you all later.
Any ideas?
So you're putting a backpack on a backpack.
Yep.
What would you call that?
Old timers. That's how old timers hunt. He's making fun of me now. Don't do that, man.
I'm not making fun of you. I'm just, that maybe people, when they watch this video, they'll learn how to do a backpack on a backpack.
Well, just because it has the bladder on it, dude. I don't like my day pack. I could almost put everything in my day pack and take it up for a night.
Right?
I really could.
I know.
Bullshit. No, I really probably could.
Do what?
Just take a day pack.
I like that tarp. You know what's the only reason why I like the tarp?
We can make it.
Because I'm going to lay it out and put the meat in it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get dirty.
So how are we going to make this go? Those are not long enough.
What's that big pad?
I got zip ties. Giant sleeping pad. You want to zip tie it to there? Can't believe he's showing me, he's videoing me.
Well, I'm about to stop the video and then I'm gonna film the finished product when you're carrying it. We'll be back, guys.
You're young, bud. Give a fuck. Look at all the work. This how you don't like walking through the thick stuff? Now I don't have to. Oh, I don't. I'm grabbing my watch last as soon as you turn the truck off. No worries. You want to put that on here?
Yeah, you can put it right there or right there.
You want it right here so you can grab it better?
That's fine.
What do you want to tell me?
Anywhere, I don't care. Tell it. Throw it in the street.
We are about to hit that trail right there, guys.
God damn it, that's not supposed to do that.
All right, day 3. We, like I said earlier, we're going to a different spot. We're going up. Stuff all packed up. Of course, nothing but uphill. So this is a new area, and we're gonna spend here at least one night. If we see any elk signs, bugles, we'll probably stay here longer. I don't know. That rain didn't come through. Seemed like it was. We're hoping it would, but it did not. So it's still dry, dusty, warm. Definitely better than Texas, but it's warm. So here we go. The guys. Still going. We're gonna camp here, close to the lake. Look how awesome this is. We got rain about 10 minutes, but it's something. And I wish I would have my fishing rod, fly rod, get some trout. All right, guys, so we made it where we're gonna camp. I'm gonna be staying on that one, Steve's and Joel's. Pretty good area right here by the lake. Got the lake right there, and we're getting ready to go for evening hunt.
Okay. Need some water too, bro?
Possibly.
We're getting water for this evening. Filling up platypus from Gill Reservoir. Oh, when it gets out.
Yeah.
Got the platypus there. 2 liter.
Very good, fellas.
Yes, sir.
Good water.
Get some scenery right there.
Any trout?
Yeah, not yet. There's trouts in here.
For dinner.
There's a lot of trout in here. You like trout?
You like trouser trout?
Trouser trout. Camp is over there.
You like trout? Trout.
This thing's not working.
See that creek going? See that?
We should go up there.
Huh?
Not too sure what it is, but possibly not an elk. Looks too small. What do y'all think? Got our bear-proof bag up in the tree.
I don't know, bear proof.
It's bear. Don't mess with our food, bear. Tonight we're having chili mac with beef. Then a little dessert. Tonight was a good night. We actually heard, oh, you're having what? Chicken teriyaki? Fancy, man. We actually heard some bugles, but it got too dark on us. And we were not able to see it, but it was two of them for sure that we heard very close to us. So tomorrow morning we're waking up, heading that same way, and hopefully we can get them on the way down. Alrighty.